matches tonight. So if I don't press my golden buzzer, what happens?
Proud moment for Filipinos. 27-year-old singer Mati Juniosa just made history after receiving his second golden buzzer on Britain's Got Talent. Yes, you heard that right. Automatic finalist na siya. After wowing the judges with Purple Rain during his audition, bumalik si Mati sa live semifinals with a powerful performance of Dream On. At hindi nagkamali ang hurado na si Amanda Holden, pinindot niya ang golden buzzer. Standing ovation pa mula sa audience at todo support din ang kanyang pamilya na lumipad pa mula Pilipinas. Pero habang marami ang humahanga, may ilang netizens na nagtatanong kung planned ba ang moment. Still, one thing is clear, world-class ang talent ni Mati. With 2 golden buzzers, malaki ang chance niya na maiuwi ang panalo sa finals this May 30.
Mati, congratulations!